My name is Robin Jenga. I come from Kenya, and now I'm doing my PhD at the DKFZ. The DKFZ is actually the biggest cancer research center in Germany. You do get people who've studied cancer in different places in the world come here to expound on what they have and also to share and continue with the research they're doing as well. From physicists who are dealing with how to detect and how to treat the different cancers, and you have epidemiologists who are looking at the numbers, and you have the people who are doing the basic research as well to try and see exactly the different molecular mechanisms that are going on in cancer. So there's the whole range of scientists and backgrounds.
My name is Srinidhi Desikan, and I'm currently working as a PhD student in the Department of Clinical Neurobiology. DKFZ is one of the top-notch institutions to offer high-end research facilities.
My name is Calvin. I'm a PhD student working in bioinformatics. One of the things I like most about DKFZ is that you can always knock someone's door and then talk to them really easily. So you don't have that sort of bureaucracy that you have to go through many different points if you want to do some sort of collaboration.
Part of the PhD program at the DKFZ is that you have a thesis advisory committee that you meet with 3 times during your PhD. This is good because these milestones keep you on track in terms of your PhD. And apart from that, you also have your supervisor who's available for you to talk to on a regular basis to check that you are keeping on the right way. The PhD initial course is a great course that we do at the beginning of our PhD, where we meet, first of all, other people who are starting the PhD around the same time and get different workshops and different courses that are supposed to help us and equip us with everything we need to continue the PhD here at the DKFZ. Every week we get to attend this Progress in Cancer Research lectures that are held by different PIs within the institute in the different research programs. They give a nice overall introduction to get everyone who's not in that field to get into the topic, and then they go specifically into the research questions.
I'm Felix. I was part of the PhD Council. We're 6 PhDs who represent 550 PhD students at this institute. And we represent their interests and we also organize events for them. So the council organizes the retreats, a conference, PhD student conference. We organize a meet and greet event where people from academia or industry come and have lunch with us. I was also part of the retreat team, and we organized this nice outing where 60 PhD students went for 3 days, and we gave each other presentations, we presented our posters, we had fun together, we had a lot of social activities, and it was like a real scientific retreat.
Heidelberg is very beautiful. It's one of the oldest towns here in Germany. It's student-friendly.
It's highly international, and we have a beautiful castle right here at the heart of the city.
The beauty of where the DKFZ is located is that it's actually on the biomedical campus in Heidelberg. And because of that, there's lots of different institutes around where in case you needed a different facility or to learn a different technique, you don't have to go so far. The labs and the different departments are quite international, so you have people from all over the world, and the research is in English, which is great because if you don't know German, then you can get along very easily with English.
The graduate office acts as a link that connects the PhD students and help them in obtaining their degree from various faculties in Heidelberg.
Specifically for international PhD students, they help you obtain your visa.
Graduate office supports all PhD students here in DKFZ.
There is a career service center here at the DKFZ, and not only are they available for one-on-one counseling in case you have questions, or you could also go and do a CV check with them, but they also organize different events. It's great in terms of having a perspective about what you can do after the PhD and having people who can guide you in that direction.
DKFZ PhD students, I've seen them end up in academia, so they're group leaders now, in industry. in scientific publishing as editors, for example, or project managers.
There are many different opportunities, and it is not really limited to only biology and academia. So I think DKFZ really gives you a lot of potential in terms of that.
And the advantages that you have from the PhD program and the life here as a student.
It's a really great choice because the environment here is really conducive for research and you will have fun while you're doing it.